Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you something really awesome. So for example, you want to sell or give away your iPhone. I'm going to give you some steps before you do that one. So these are going to be very important to protect your privacy and your data. The first thing you want to do is before you give it out is head over to settings, right there, and basically go into the landing page of settings. In here, we're going to dwell in your iCloud. First thing you want to do is back up your iCloud. So basically right there, open up iCloud right here and back it up. Make sure you back it up. And then once you have successfully backed up your device, you just basically need to go on your devices right here. For example, you have multiple devices and you're giving away this one, this IXR. Make sure you remove this one. You remove this device on this iCloud and you'll be good to go. Once that's done, basically sign out to your iCloud. That's number 3, right? Once that's completed, everything is going to be backed up. Everything has been transferred to another device, to your laptop or your PC. Everything's safe, right? Now, the only last thing you want to do right now is go to General. All the way down, there should be Transfer or Reset iPhone. In here, click on Erase All Content and Settings. It will just ask you for your passcode, and then they will, again, back up your iCloud one more time automatically, and you'll be good to go. And now you can give away your iPhone or sell it. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.